All right, guys, welcome back. So I have all the water here. I have 5 gallon bucket right there that goes into the big girl's coop. And then I have the outside of the coop water right here. I'm also going to put electrolytes in. And I have these 2 drinking things on top of my AC unit. You guys can see them. I'm going to be putting electrolytes basically inside of those. So I showed you guys in the beginning, but this is what I have. And we're gonna, so it says 1 tablespoon, well, teaspoon, sorry. 1 teaspoon for every 1 gallon. So this one, obviously a bucket, so this is gonna be 5 gallons, so it's gonna get 5. And then these are really a liter. These ones right here are basically a liter. So we're just gonna do like half a teaspoon. And then this one is probably a gallon and a half, maybe 2. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons in here because I think it's 2 gallons. But yeah, guys, make sure you're taking care of your chickens and you're giving them the electrolytes that they need. Separated because I don't know what's wrong with him. It could be heat stress or something, but he's having a hard time walking right now. So that's kind of one of the reasons I got the electrolytes. It's supposed to help with stress, so that's why I have this. Yeah, whenever winter hits, I'm getting a canopy and gonna put them all together. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing as of right now to make sure that they are not under heat stress. But you guys can see they started doing their own thing now. Just got to make sure that that rooster in there is okay, and we're just kind of hoping for the best, really. But all right, guys, so now for the Folgers, we're going to be putting this in their coops, both of them. There's one over there and there's 2 right here, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. and stuff like that, so it'll get more in depth in the ground and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, that's basically the gist of that. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come back and obviously put the tarp over them, just so they don't get hot in there, and turn that fan back on because it is hot. Yeah, guys, I got the little other one out right there. Ta-da! Got this one set up too. So that it works, because this is a cheaper thing than getting all this weird fancy spray that they have for all the chickens and stuff like that. It's also supposed to help reduce smell, which everyone likes the smell of coffee. I don't drink coffee, but I enjoy the smell. So I mean, if it helps with the smell and keeping a lot of bugs down, I'm good with it. So hopefully it works.